Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying the physical path because signal issues mimic software faults. First, swap to a known good high-speed HDMI cable and reseat both ends. That removes handshake problems. Once done, make sure the Roku input is selected on the TV so settings apply to the right port. Then open Settings and navigate directly to the TV picture area to locate the game mode toggle. This is where you enable the low latency profile that reduces input lag. Next, you tune the display so game mode actually helps. Change the Roku resolution to match your console or PC output. Mismatch scaling forces extra processing and lag. Make sure to turn off motion smoothing, noise reduction, or any post-processing features because they introduce frame delay despite improving perceived motion. Also check for and install Roku and TV firmware updates. Manufacturers often patch game mode bugs, so a current build can resolve problems quickly. Finally, you confirm the fix and prepare for edge cases. Power cycle both the TV and your console by unplugging for about 30 seconds to reset the HDMI handshake. This often restores game mode. If problems persist, try a different HDMI port or another device to isolate whether the TV or source is at fault. As a last resort, perform a factory reset on the Roku or TV, but back up presets first. Tip: if game mode disables after updates, re-enable it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.